Some snow. This is going to be moving into your direction. We do have temperatures today topping off into the upper 30s. So although we have cloud cover in place this morning, we're going to have more sunshine as we head into the afternoon. So it's going to look nice, a little bit cooler than yesterday. We'll drop down below freezing again tonight. Tomorrow starting off relatively quiet. We do have that quick little clipper system that's going to be pushing in as we head into your Friday afternoon and Friday evening. As for this morning, look at some of those little spits of snow. We can see it from our Douglas Lake camera. I know we're getting some reports of seeing some light snow through the higher elevations into Sevier County, Cott County, Greene County. So just a heads up, this may be something that does impact your morning commute. As we look ahead to your Futurecast models, high pressure is going to slide to our south. We'll see this next wave of energy push into the region as we go into your Friday afternoon. So midday tomorrow, we'll have the chance of seeing some of these flurries, specifically more so into the higher elevations. This is with cold front number one. Behind this frontal boundary, we have another cold front that's going to be bringing in a reinforcing shot of cooler air, and this is going to last as we go into your Friday night and into your Saturday. Thankfully, on the back half of this system, things do look much quieter, so it's not going to be totally long-range concerns, but heading into the end of the week and starting off your Saturday, we may see the possibility for some more additional light snow up into the higher elevations, and you can really see this when we look at your regional snowfall. Right along the spine of the Appalachian Mountains is where we're going to continue to see the highest potential of snowfall accumulation. It's spitting out a few more opportunities for some light flurries up into the higher elevations. Most of this ongoing snow will come to an end within the next couple of hours, but it's not going to be much of a break ahead of our next opportunity for seeing some precipitation. We look ahead to your Friday afternoon. So tomorrow, especially for areas to the northeast, I should say, of East Tennessee, so moving into the northeastern corner of our viewing area, this is where we do have the best potential of seeing more light accumulating snow following cold front number one that's going to move through tomorrow afternoon. And then another reinforcing shot of cold air will arrive as we go into your Friday night and as we head into your Saturday. So Saturday morning, we're going to start off below freezing again. So it is going to be quite cool. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe Saturday morning we had some similar views as to what we're seeing this morning. Most of the snowfall accumulation that we're going to be tracking will be along the spine of the Appalachian Mountains. That's where some of those higher totals will be. And when I say higher totals, I mean, as you head outside, we're going to continue to see temperatures today back into the upper 30s. So staying quite cool, just a little bit above freezing. A little bit of sunshine popping through as we head into the afternoon hours. We'll drop down tonight below freezing again. So still the concern, you'll have to be a little extra cautious on the roadways, but no major opportunities for precipitation after really this morning. Tomorrow, we've got another quick clipper system that's going to be sliding into the region, and it's going to bring in another opportunity for some winter-like weather. Don't get mad at the messenger, folks, but it is going to be relatively short-lived. So high pressure moving to the south. Here comes cold front number one. Cold front number one going to usher in the potential for some snow, primarily across northeast Tennessee, southwest Virginia, southeast Kentucky. And then here comes cold front number two as we head into your Friday evening. This is going to bring in that reinforcing shot of cooler air and potentially try and wring out the atmosphere, allowing for a few more additional snow flurries. So Saturday morning, we may have some similar views as to what we have this morning, but thankfully it'll be going into a weekend. So if you don't have to be getting out early, you should be just fine. We do have a beautiful warming trend to look forward to next week. We'll talk much more about this in detail coming up in just a little bit as we go into your Saturday as well. So Saturday morning, we may be waking up to similar conditions as to what we had this morning. We are looking at your satellite and radar. Again, the atmosphere just kind of wringing itself out as we are continuing to try and get every last ounce of snow across our region. One cold front's going to move through tomorrow afternoon. This is going to bring in the initial round of probably similar weather as to what we had last night. So maybe some rain, maybe a little bit of sleet, perhaps some snow across northeast Tennessee, southwest Virginia, southeast Kentucky. And then here comes a second cold front that's going to push in tomorrow night, again reinforcing that cold air as we go into the early hours of your Saturday. So if you have to get out and about early Saturday morning, again, there might be some minor impacts on the roads. Keep that in mind, but I don't foresee this to be enough to stop your weekend plans. We are continuing to highlight again, you should say this is more so Friday into Saturday. Highest snowfall potential is going to be right along. Snow flurries in place this morning. We've got another system that's going to be sliding in tomorrow night Could bring in another round of some more wintry weather. We'll have details coming up on your extended forecast in just a little bit. Saturday. Satellite and radar again this morning showing a few more light flurries in place across the higher elevations. A lot of this snow is going to be tapering off really quickly here, so I don't foresee much additional falling snow. As for tomorrow, we've got two different frontal boundaries. So the first cold front's going to usher in the potential for similar conditions as to what we had yesterday. Perhaps some rain, a little bit of sleet, then transitioning into some light snow across northeast Tennessee, southwest Virginia, southeast Kentucky, and then here comes cold front number 2 as we go into your Friday night, kind of like adding in that reinforcing shot just to make sure that we wake up Saturday morning below freezing. So 2 different rounds of cold air moving in. Both of them have the potential of bringing in again the opportunity for some light precipitation, and for some of us it's probably going to be in the form of snow. That heaviest snow is going to be those darker shades of blue, similar situation. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe some areas waking up Saturday morning and cool with highs and a little bit of some light snow this morning. We actually have the potential of seeing even more come tomorrow and into your Saturday. We'll continue to break down your futurecast and the timing of this coming up. Through tomorrow, first cold front's going to bring in the potential for some wintry weather, perhaps some light snow making its way into the region as well. And then Friday night, tomorrow night, we get this second cold front that's just kind of like, really kind of usher in some of that cooler air as we go into the start of your Saturday. So come Saturday morning, folks, while most of us again will see fairly similar conditions to what we had this morning, I do expect that we will see the potential for perhaps a dusting, maybe a little bit more right along the spine of the Appalachian Mountains, but it could slow you down just a